I've done all the gluing. What I have found is he is missing a couple of pieces. Go ahead, Reiki. Do it again, do it again. Do it again, do it again. Yeah, but he is still fabulously scary and creepy. I just don't know what I'm going to do about, turn this on so you can see, the parts that he's missing. Like there's a whole big part there and some cracks here. I have, of course, used E6000 to put him back together, but I don't know. If you guys have ideas for what to do in this spot right here, I don't know. I mean, I could add something to fill in, but I don't know that I really need it. He might have like some, kind of black or greenish tulle kind of draped there because, he'll, just looking like he's coming up out of the sewer. That might, that might be the thing to do. Anyway, there you go. May I introduce you, to get all the way down here to see, may I introduce you to Pennywise, the dancing clown, recovered from the Spirit Halloween store dumpster, and now glued together in working order. I had to do 3 different rounds of gluing. I had to glue this side. I had to glue, let's see if I remember. I had to glue a piece over here, and then a piece over here, and then finally today put his head on. Here's hoping he stays together. Reagan, let's show him again. But yeah, there you go. Straight out of the bins. Oh, I want to see how much did he cost. Oh, $40. So, $40 piece of spooky happiness. It just cost us, well, some glue.
This item is not a toy. For
just a sec.
For purposes only, not intended for use by children under the age of 17.
Uh-oh, Reagan. Oh, see you soon, Frugal friends. See you soon.